Wow! Magtakin mo, nag-flower pattern din yung atake nun. What's up guys, and welcome back to Mr. JC TV. We are going to unbox Super Hyperion tonight. And well, ano pa nga ba, hindi ko na patatagalin to, alright? Una-una sa lahat, thank you Mr. Wushu for letting us get our hands in this awesome Beyblade right here. We started at front of the box, guys. There you have it, B159 flame branded. Ang Beyblade na to na napaka-cool. Grabe, oh! There you have it, guys. So this is the other side of the box. Syempre, superking. Whatever that says. Okay, this is the other side of the box right there. Paki-translate na lang, guys, sa mga marunong dyan. And this is the back of the box. Okay, so yes, walang duda, attack bay ang Beyblade na ito, guys. Alright, Super Hyperion. And yep, as far as I can see, may similarity talaga sa Takara Tomy na box. Not entirely, but there is this, what do you call this, similarity, Beyblades, spec, whatever. So there you have it, guys. And ito na yung pinakalikod parts, of course. Hyperion, yung sparking chip, super, ito yung ring natin, alright. Just so you guys know, this is the very first Beyblade sa Superking, okay? So from here, iba na yung mga parts compared sa GT base, okay? So sparking chip, ring, chassis or chassis? Let me know, guys, alright? Chassis or chassis? And last but not the least, of course, ang hindi na bago, driver, okay? Or performance tip. Yun pa rin ang tawag sa kanya, okay? So mabilis lang, Hyperion, Super, 1A or 1 attack, and exceed, okay? Exceed. Titingnan natin kung gumagana yung gimmick niyan mamaya. And there you go. Okay. Sa pagkakaalam ko, dalawang klase ang chassis or chassis. Merong double and merong single. Alright? Makikita niyan mamaya kung anong type si Super Hyperion. Well, dyan pa lang nga, kita na eh. Whatever. So, there you go, guys. Buksan na natin to. And, syempre, una sa lahat, yan na po ang flame launcher nyo, guys. Yan yung mga pinamimigay ko sa ngayon. Well, kasi hindi pa naman tayo monetized, di ba? Naiintindihan nyo naman, di ba? Alright, tabi muna yan. And next, whoop! Sige, labas na natin. Pero syempre, una sa lahat, stickers. This is your sticker sheet. Okay, B159. Wala nang ibang laman ng box bukod dito. And there you go. Check the details. Alrighty. And, of course, dito na tayo sa... Pero una sa lahat, ito ang video on how to reach solongforyou.ph sa Shopee.
Guys, I found an awesome store in Shopee kung saan kayo makakakita ng malulupit na limited edition Beyblades. First, go to shopee.ph or download nyo muna yung app. Then go here sa search bar and type SOLONGFORYOU. SOLONG, the number 4, and U. Now, tap niyo ang name na yan, and so you can go dito sa store niya. Now, there is your follow button. That's where you will get your first voucher. Now, swipe up para makita nyo ang wide selection of Beyblades na rito. And here you will also find yung limited edition Beyblades na i-unbox natin dito sa Mr. JC TV. Ang cool, di ba? Now, back to the video.
Alrighty, so, hindi na to para sa patagalin natin. Okay, set aside na yan. Hindi naman natin gagamitin yan. Buksan na natin to, no? Alright. Ay. Okay, first shoutout goes to Trisha Nagalio. Nagalo or Nagalio? But yeah, shoutout to you, Trisha. And, woo! Okay. Pagbukas nyo, guys, ng flame brand. Ito ang una nyo makikita. Sorry, nahulog. And, but okay. Pagkakalas-kalasin ko lang. Mabilis lang, guys. Kaching! Alright, yan na, guys. Alright, pinagkalas-kalas ko na. So, unang-una sa lahat, sparking chip core. Okay. There you have it. Grabe ang detalye, guys. Oh. Bootleg ba talaga to? Bootleg ba talaga to? Saan yung box? Bootleg ba talaga to? Okay, yes, confirmed. Kasi doon gold eh. But anyway, who am I to complain? Yung detalye, nandun guys, okay? Hindi mo naman na matititigan yan kapag umiikot na eh. Pipili mo pa ba yung grabing makulay talaga? Focus camera please. There you go. Yan ang pinaka-close-up na kaya ko for now. There is your sparking chip core. Okay? So, walang name to. Yan na yun. Next, we have this guy right here. Wow. Look at the detail, guys. This is your sparking chip. Okay. Mukha siya talagang Achilles. Guys, alright? Totoo yung sinabi ng isa sa mga sikat na international Baytubers. Mukha siyang Achilles. Yung mukha niya. Okay? Unless kung nag-ML ka, o sige, mukha siyang Argus na naka-side view. And there you go. Number 3. I don't know what that means. But anyway. Grabe yung pagkakareplika niya, guys. I mean, I cannot put more emphasis to that. Kasi, I mean, yun na lang iniisip ko, no? Kasi sa China naman, minamanufacture yung mga yun eh. So, kung sino yung pinakamagaling kumopya, sila at sila lang rin. Okay? Only that, yung paint, okay, may lead, yung plastic, it's not exactly the same material that was used sa Takara Tomy. So, dun siya nagiging mura, alright? Kasi inferior na yung materials. Next, shoutout kay... Sino na ba? Dark Eagle. Okay? Dark Eagle. Shoutout sa'yo. And this is your ring. Okay? Wow. So, yep, sa nakikita nyo guys, right spin only. Okay? Hindi mo magagamit to sa left spin. Well, obviously, sa left spin na build. Okay? No matter what you do. Unless, kung parang si Beybladeburst TV na makakagawa ng malupit na mod, yes, push! Push mo yan! Shoutout sa'yo, Beybladeburst TV! Sa tropa kong yan na malupit! Yung ano ko ha, yung satellite, ano ka, base stadium ko ha. Sumipsip eh. Anyway, guys, pulido. Alright, hindi siya rough. Okay, pulido siya. Wow. Alright, side profile. Grabe ang build. Ang ganda lang guys. Okay? That is your super ring. Okay? Super ring Hyperion sparking chip. Next, we have the chassis. Wow, ang bigat. Ang bigat niya guys. And there. Hayaan ko muna pagmasdan nyo yung detalye niya. Ang hirap mag-focus, grabe. Sobrang daming detalye na pwede makita rito. And grabe. Wow. Hindi na makapag-focus ng tama yung camera ko. There you go. Okay, guys, sobrang kintab niya lang talaga, no? Sobrang kintab niya lang. This is your chassis 1A, okay? 1 attack. We will see kung paano yung magiging itsura ng mga susunod na attack chips or rather attack chassis. But there, ang hirap lang makita, makintab masyado, but there's 1A. There is your 1A right there, okay? So, yan yung side. Ang taba lang, di ba? Wow. And, oops, okay. Factory defect. Di pala siya factory defect. Kaninong pusa yun, ha? Balahibo ng pusa. So, there is your... Yep, pinakalikod. We have 1 star. Is that 1 star? Yep, we have 1 star right there. We have 1 star. Kita nyo, di ba? And there is your chassis, guys. Wow. Just wow. Okay, last but not the least, this is your driver. This is Exceed Driver. Okay, Exceed Driver. Okay, hindi siya ganun kapulido guys. Syempre, what you can expect. Uy, guys, ang lakas ng spring. Oy, ang daya nyo. Hindi dapat malakas ang spring na ito, pero thank you. Yeah guys, ang lakas ng spring. Para biro, okay? And yes, gumagana ang gimmick niya. It is spinning. Alright? It's spinning. Shout out kay Anver D. By the way, Anver D. Pinili ko nang i-shoutout kayo along the video para hindi na tayo magsayang ng masyadong oras dahil dito, grabe. Goma siya. No. Is it goma? Parang hard plastic na ba yung pagka-goma eh. Fiberglass. guys, may pagkagoma siya. Alright? It's not entirely plastic, okay? It's hard rubber. Yeah, hard rubber. Very hard rubber na almost plastic na ang consistency niya. But, yeah, there you go. Okay? So, that is your Exceed driver. We will see the performance of this really soon. Tabi muna natin to. Thank you sa Dagger ni Kenshin, by the way. So, ganito lang guys, no? Sa mga first timer, wag basta-basta bira, okay? Wag yung bira lang ng bira. Pag ito ipapasok nyo, hindi ganyan, okay? Hindi ganyan. Slide nyo muna, alright? And then, tsaka mo ikot, okay? And then, awesome! Dapat maririnig yung click na yun, okay? So there is your sparking chip with the core, okay? And this, alright? Yan yon guys, okay? Yan. Sana nakikita nyo? Yung ngipin, saksak nyo yung ngipin, and then twist. Madaling-madali lang, okay? Next is this guy right here. Alright? So, hindi ka magkakamali sa pagsalpak niyan, okay? Hindi ka magkakamali. Alright? Salpak mo lang yan. Pag mali, ayan o, hindi siya babaon pag mali. So, keep twisting it hanggang yun. Okay? Hanggang sa pumasok. And from there, dinig nyo yan? Kailangan nyo marinig yun. Alright? So, and last but not the least, this is your driver. There you go. It's decent, guys. Okay? It's a good thing na pinalakas nila yung spring kasi yung pagkakadikit ng ngipin dun sa sa driver, alright? Hindi siya 100%, okay? Unless kung makaka-come up na naman tayo ng hack or mod para mapahigpit yon, the better. But right now, focus tayo sa close up Super Hyperion, guys. Super Hyperion. Wow. Flame brand did it again. Grabe. Napakaganda lang. There's your side profile, guys. Alright. Excited na akong ilaban to. But, well, let's see. Magta-test battle ba tayo kasama ng unboxing? Let's see about that. Last but not least, ito yung pinakailalim niya. Okay. And one last look sa ibabaw. Alright. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda lang, guys. Napakaganda niya lang. Anyway, next up, weight comparison. Okay, shout out nga pala kay James or James. James or James. Well, salamat sa suporta mo. At well, talaga namang nakakataba ng puso yung comment mo na yan. So thank you, I really appreciate it. Alright, so guys, ang bigat ng flame branded na Super Hyperion ay wow! Wow! Guys, 61 grams. Ang totoong bigat, well, yung Takara Tomy, alright, it's 61.5. Okay, 60. 61 talaga, guys. 61 talaga. There you have it, guys. Same weight ng Takara Tomy brand. Wow, this is wow. Wow talaga. Alright, huwag na natin patagalin. Nasa na ba yung stadium na yan? And this is our stadium right here. Okay. Let's test it out. Of course, with the new sparking launcher. Next, shout out kay JB Saturno. JB Saturno, shout out to you. Okay, so, wow, grabe. Swak ba? Wow, swak na swak, guys, oh. Meant to be. Well, this is it. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Whoa! Wow, there you go. There you have it, guys. Super Hyperion test spin. Ini-expect ko sasablay kasi nilakasan ko eh. But there you have it, guys. That is an attack bay, by the way. So you cannot expect na mataas ang stamina niya. But there you have it. It's performing as it should be. Shout out kay Edizen Gaming. Anyway, Edizen Gaming. Don't worry, mangyayari yan ha. Alright, isa pa guys ha, isa pa. Tilt launch natin, alright? So we can see kung sakto ba yung effect niya sa tilt launching. Alright. Tilt launching. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Oh, wow! Mantakin mo, nag-flower pattern din yung atake nun. Wow. Okay, I really cannot wait for the battle. Iba-battle ko ba siya? Guys, masyado na maraming oras ang nasasayang. I'm really sorry guys, paumanhin. You have to wait for the battle. Comment down below kung anong battle ang gusto nyo. Endurance test or sponsor battle. Alright? Gagawa rin ako ng poll, alright, para sa inyo guys. Again, endurance test or sponsor battle. Comment down below at sagutan nyo rin yung poll natin. Yung link, ilalagay ko rin sa description box. Alright? So, tama na to. Okay. So, guys, sorry, medyo hiningal ako, no? This is my opinion. This is my review for flame-branded Super Hyperion from So Long For You. This Beyblade, guys, I had a blast unboxing this beast right here. Hindi ako makapag-antay. Gusto ko na siyang mabattle. But, guys, just to keep you in the loop, madaling araw na, nagsushoot pa rin ako, nakabulaw na ako sa kapitbahay. Sorry po mga kapitbahay, shoutout sa inyo mga kapitbahay. But there you go guys, we cannot have a battle. Yeah, yung pala yung dahilan bakit di ako makapag-chess battle. Yeah, kasi maingay. And yes, natutulog na po ang mga kapitbahay natin. Umaalingaw ang boses ko mula rito sa living room papunta sa kabilang bahay. Ayokong katukin. But there you have it guys. Thank you very much. One last shout out, Mark Santos. Alright? The last shout out for this, Mark Santos. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video while waiting doon sa battle, okay? At habang nag-aantay tayo ng sapat na sagot mula sa poll, alright, sa YouTube, watch our previous videos for now. Thank you very much. So long for you, Mr. Wushu. This is an awesome Beyblade. I will be waiting for more. And sa mga fans, check the description box below if you want to buy from solongforyou.ph. The link, his link towards, or that will lead you towards Shopee. On his page in Shopee is right there, down right there in the description box. So smash that link and visit his shop. So long for you. Thank you very much. Again guys, maraming salamat din sa mga loyalista ko. Keep on requesting your shoutout. Hanggang sa makakaya ko guys, talagang inuubos ko yung mga shoutout requests, alright? Pero sobrang dami lang talaga. Sobrang dami lang. Pero hindi ako mapapagod para sa inyo, alright? Hindi ako mapapagod para sa inyo. So for now, thank you very much for watching this video. This is Mr. JC TV. Bounce na ako.